Hi, good day to everyone. Today my topic of presentation is on the proposal for manufacturing strategies. The code for this subject is EBMP3203 manufacturing strategy. Before I proceed further, let me introduce myself first. My name is Parsurama Alaki Ranganathan. My metric number is 9108070257390001 and I am from Sungai Petani Learning Center. Okay, shall we start? This is the introduction part. What is manufacturing strategy? It can be classified as a set of objective and action program for manufacturing process. Actually, all the organizations are having their manufacturing strategies. It might be the same or different with other organization. This strategy is to improve the efficiency of the process, which is to increase the quality of the product, to reduce the reject, and also to create a better process flow, which is to avoid any disruption during the process. For the types of manufacturing strategies, there are four. As we can see here is lean manufacturing, batch production, customized production, and also the flexible manufacturing. Okay, my company is actually manufacturing the semiconductor devices such as the optical devices, microprocessors, integrated circuit, and also the complex system on chip. Due to current GST implementation and Malaysian currency drop, semiconductor industry affected from that. So I'm going to propose to my management a few manufacturing strategies that can be used to replace our current manufacturing method, which is the traditional production system with a basic automation. First is for the lean manufacturing strategy. It is known as the methodology for waste minimization within the manufacturing, which able to increase the productivity and also to meet with customer requirement. In order to implement this, we have to use our raw material as the resources effectively. So when we follow the process accordingly, we able to reduce the waste generated from the process, and automatically it will increase the productivity of the process. There are 5 types of principle for lean manufacturing strategy. The first principle is to identify value from customer perspective, customer requirement, customer specification. Second principle is mapping the value system, what the product offer to client or the consumer. Third principle is to create a process flow, manufacturing process that we are going to implement. Fourth principle is to establish a pull system, what we able to implement in order to create the product. Fifth principle is to pursue perfection with continual process improvement. It's a continuous process improvement plan. The advantages of lean manufacturing strategy is increase the quality of the product, improve the lead time for process, increase the quality of the product which to reduce the rejectance volume. Improve the lead time is to shorten the number of days or time required for the process. Sustainability by reducing the waste generated from the process. Increase employee certification, which to avoid any issue to arise related to the process, and also to increase the profit for company. If the productivity increase, definitely the profit is going to increase as well. But there are disadvantages as well for this strategy, which is the equipment failure might occur, because when we always been using this machines or equipment, the percentage of error to occur is low, but when it occur, then it might cause high failure. So when the equipment is failure, the delivery will be affected. So until we settle the failure issue, it will affect the delivery, and we have to inform to our customer that the lead time will be increased due to this. Second is for the batch production strategy. It is known as the manufacturing method where the products are produced in specified quantity within the time frame. Okay, it involves a series of steps before final product outcome. Machineries for the process will be in chronological order, so it's according to the flow. Sudden modification can be done during the process. For this batch production, time for process completed known as a cycle time, and each batch will be assigned with specific lot number. Okay, for the batch production strategy, the advantages are less cost for whole batch production. If we manufacture a single unit and compared to a batch, definitely the costing for whole batch is lesser. Machine utilization more effective because there are few steps involved, so it will use all the machines in order to complete the product. Production wastage reduced if the process is run accordingly according to the instruction and specification. The wastage can be reduced. There are disadvantages as well for this strategy, which is the storage cost will increase if the production volume is high. If we produce lots of products and the customer is asking us to keep at our site first temporarily, so definitely it's going to cost us because the volume is high. Downtime and costing will increase if error occurs. If there is any breakdown or downtime, then definitely it's going to make us to invest on the repairing or maintenance stuff. If breakdown, labors will be ineffective until repair complete, because this strategy solely depends on machines and equipment. So if the machine is not running, then there's no purpose or no role for the manpower. Next is customized production strategy, which we can be classified as the technique used to deliver modified products to satisfy customer needs. Combination of personalization and flexibility with low cost per unit allows customer to prepare the design for certain features. So we will create a product based on customer request. Features may vary in terms of color, size, shape and logo. This product will be different compared to one in which is this one is will be unique. This is also to drive customer loyalty towards us and also to increase customer certification to our service. Advantages for this strategy is to provide more changes to the product based on customer requirements, can build customer loyalty towards our product, makes product unique from the one in market, and also to reduce additional investment. So basically we don't need to invest something new for this when we can make the changes. There are disadvantages as well. It requires for additional investment for bigger capacity. If the changes required is small, then we don't need to invest. But if it's big, then we might need to invest to purchase a new machine or change the whole process, something like that. Downtime will occur. Costing will increase because of training necessity. When there is a modification in the process, definitely we need to educate the manpower which will run or do the process. So we have to invest on the training in order to make sure they are equipped with the knowledge required to run the machine. Next is for flagship manufacturing strategy. This is known as the method designed to adapt easily to the changes in product. It's also the key component to customer to customize the product. Machineries and computerized system can be configured. That's why it's flexible, it can adapt easily. And with these features, it require high upfront cost to upgrade. So basically, we have to invest or purchase something that have this kind of feature, which is flexible and can adapt to any changes on any time. The process is designed upfront readily to adapt to changes later, and largely automated and requires skilled worker to perform maintenance. Even though it is flexible and can adapt to changes anytime, but it requires high maintenance level. So we have to make sure it's on the track, it's being maintained well in order to perform this specific functions. The advantages is can save money for upcoming years, for future, increase the product quality, yes, increase the efficiency of production, increase customer service certification toward the product. When we can do the modification, definitely customer will be happy and they will be loyal to our product and also our services. The disadvantages is the implementation process might be complicated. Yes, it might require and consuming a lot of time and decision making. Requires skilled manpower to operate the machine. Yes, we have to have knowledge in order to run these machines. And also purchasing and investment will be expensive. At the beginning, it's going to be a huge amount of money for us to invest to purchase this system. In comparison with current production system, ours one, as I told, it is a traditional mass production system with basic automation. Basically, what we mean basic automation is we have a robotic arm which used to carry the wafer and to place in the wafer carrier cassette. So it's actually the automation system is only applied for that portion, is only to transfer the wafer. This is to reduce the level of damage that can happen anytime, because manpower they can make damages anytime, but robot is specified unless if it's breakdown or what, then definitely is the accuracy level is high. The verification and quality control is still being performed by manpower and it's basically a process that involves manpower, human, and also the robotic arm, which is the basic automation system. Okay, so for summary, we have for the lean manufacturing, batch production, flexible manufacturing, and also customized production. So based on these four manufacturing strategies, management will choose the best and they will decide which one is best suited to our product and our process for upcoming years. That's all my presentation for today. Thank you.